or no?
Children, as we know very well that there are two important things which will come across in organic compound. In one way, we are going to increase the number of carbon atoms, that is ascending series. Whether we are going to keep the functional group as it is or functional group may change. Ascending series, which is also called as ascend of series. Ascend of series means lower carbon chain converted to higher carbon chain. Higher carbon chain. Another part of the topic is related with the descending of series. Descending of series. Descending means what we can call it as lower carbon chain are obtained from higher carbon chain. Higher carbon chain are converted to lower carbon chain. These two important things we'll discuss in today's video. We'll see that ascending of series. How come it is possible? Usually we will come across the reagent. Which are the reagents are there? The reagents used for ascending of series are like alcoholic potassium cyanide, like sodium in dry ether. What we can call sodium in dry ether? Woods reaction. Woods reaction. Another to that we will come across even Grignard reaction. Grignard reaction. First let us complete all this ascending. After completing this one, we will go for descending of series. You can see that in case of ascending of series, whenever we are going to come across alcoholic potassium cyanide or sodium in dry ether, that is Woods reaction, or related with Grignard reaction. We will see all these examples, all these illustration with one example. Have you observed that in some of the cases they have asked the question, maybe in the theory paper or in the competitive exam, they have asked the example like how do you convert methyl chloride to ethyl chloride? How you are going to convert methyl chloride to ethyl chloride? We can write in a simple way that when methyl chloride treated with water, sodium in dry ether. Sodium in dry ether will produce ethane. Children, have you remember that Woods reaction is applicable only to produce even number of carbon atom. So it means that we can't prepare. Is it possible? Is it not possible to prepare odd number? Yes, it is possible, but you cannot prepare 100% of the hydrocarbon. That's why better to go with even number. Another point they will arise that how you are going to convert methyl alcohol. This is example number first. Second example, how you are going to convert methyl alcohol to ethyl alcohol. So we are converting one carbon chain to two carbon chain without changing the functional group. Have you remember that in the previous video as I said, when alkyl halide are treated with alcoholic potassium cyanide, one of the carbon chain are going to be increases. Same way will come across over here. Methyl alcohol, best way is to convert it into chloride is thionyl chloride. In presence of pyridine will produce what, tell me? Methyl chloride. And this methyl chloride with alcoholic potassium cyanide. What? Alcoholic potassium cyanide will produce methyl cyanide. But our aim is to prepare what? To prepare ethyl alcohol. In previous class as I said that methyl cyanide on reduction. By which reduction, tell me? This reduction, sodium and ethyl alcohol, which reduction it is called as? Mendius reduction. It is called as what? Mendius reduction. Mendius reduction. Converted into what? CH3, CH2, NH2. Primary amine which is called as ethylamine. And this ethylamine on treatment with nitrous acid, HNO2. Even we can prepare this by treating sodium nitrite in HCl. Concentrated HCl from 0 to 5 degrees Celsius will produce ethyl alcohol. It means that we have started with methyl alcohol, we have ended with ethyl alcohol without changing the functional group, but number of carbon atoms are going to be increases. And don't think that in competitive exam they may ask the question only in one way. Instead of going this path, even we can go with the other path. Remember one thing, this is interesting part of organic chemistry where we are converting one compound to other compound without changing functional group, without disturbing functional group. If we are going with methyl cyanide, look at here how I am making on acid hydrolysis. They are converted into what? Carboxylic acid. Okay, carboxylic acid on reduction by using lithium aluminium hydride. This is the best or the suitable reducing agent. Most preferable reducing agent, lithium aluminium hydride, which is also called as alane. Other name for lithium aluminium hydride is alane. They are converted into ethyl alcohol. Okay, remember here, look at the flow chart over here. Methyl alcohol can be converted to methyl chloride to methyl cyanide. Now two ways are there to get ethyl alcohol. Either you go with reduction or further treated with nitrous acid to get a ethyl alcohol, or you go in this direction, which on acid hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid, which on reduction gives ethyl alcohol. So here we can say that without disturbing the functional group, we have converted methyl alcohol to ethyl alcohol. Okay. Now the next functional group, it may come across related with what, tell me, other than alcohol, we may come across carboxylic acid. Now the question arises that with respect to carboxylic acid, if we are going to take acetic acid converted to propanoic acid, what is the IUPAC name of acetic acid, tell me? Ethanoic acid, and this is propanoic acid. I am going to increase one carbon atom. I am going to increase what? One carbon atom. How to increase one carbon atom, you tell me. Whenever we are going to convert one carbon atom, what I said, either you go with respect to potassium cyanide or you go with respect to what I said, related with what? Grignard reagent or related with Woods reaction. Just now I said that carboxylic acid on reduction gives alcohol. Alcohol on treatment with thionyl chloride gives halide. Halide with potassium cyanide. So it means that we can increase one carbon atom. Very good. We will go for the conversion. Acetic acid on reduction. Lithium aluminium hydride. How many carbon atoms are there in the acid? Same number of carbon atoms in alcohol. CH3, CH2, OH. How many carbon atoms are there? Same number of carbon atom as in carboxylic acid. Further this on PCl5. We'll go with any chlorinating agent. PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2, PBr3, iodine in presence of red phosphorus. We'll go for any conversion. But the most preferable is thionyl chloride. As I said in previous class, because all the byproducts are gases. That's why, but while converting, you can go with any method. It is not a restriction. Then further with alcoholic potassium cyanide, they are converted into what, tell me? Ethyl cyanide. What to do further to get propanoic acid? Tell me, think and tell me. Yes, we can go for acid hydrolysis to convert it into what? Propanoic acid. Children, you look at over here. We have started with 2 carbon atom carboxylic acid. We have ended with 3 carbon atom carboxylic acid. Is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible. We can go from acetic acid to propanoic acid. 1 carbon atom are going to increase, but without disturbing what? A functional group. That's why we can call it as ascending of series. Correct? Now you can think. Is it possible to convert lower aldehyde to higher aldehyde? Lower aldehyde can also be converted into higher aldehyde. What are aldehyde? Tell me. CHO, RCHO. Is it possible to convert formaldehyde to acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde to propanaldehyde? Yes, it is possible. If we are going for formaldehyde, HC double bond OH converted into CH3C double bond OH. Correct? I am going to increase. Remember one thing, formaldehyde when undergoes oxidation, actually we will get formic acid. But formic acid is readily converted to further oxidation to carbon dioxide and water. That's why this oxidation is little bit controlled reaction. With that only we can convert it into formic acid. Okay, so let us move to the reaction. Formic acid on reduction. Again same. What we can say, this is called as what? Methyl alcohol. How many carbon atoms are there? 1 carbon atom. Methyl alcohol on further with the PCl5 converted into what? Methyl chloride. Methyl chloride with alcoholic potassium cyanide converted to methyl cyanide. What tell me? Methyl cyanide. Children, have you remember that? Methyl cyanide by Stephen's reduction. By Stephen's reduction using stannous chloride in presence of acid converted into CH3CHO. Lower aldehyde converted into higher aldehyde. Okay. Another point, you can think in this way also. This is one of the way to convert formaldehyde to this one. Okay. Another point we can think that methyl cyanide on acid hydrolysis. Converted into what? Tell me. What? Acid. Okay. Acetic acid. And this acetic acid on reduction converted into what? 2 carbon atoms alcohol. 2 carbon atom alcohol called as what? Ethyl alcohol. This ethyl alcohol on reaction with what? Pyridinium dichromate, or by using even pyridinium chlorochromate also, they are converted into controlled oxidation product as acetaldehyde. Correct? Because remember one thing, oxidation of primary alcohol to carboxylic acid is very rapid reaction. Fast reaction, it should be controlled to get it into respect to what? Acetaldehyde. In another point we can say that whenever we are going for the reaction, whenever we are going to increase the number of carbon atom, always we should think in a either related with KCN, because most of the time we are going to use alcoholic potassium cyanide or Woods reaction. Now you may think that how come it is possible by using Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent can convert one compound to other compound, one functional group to another functional group with the increase of carbon atom. Tell me what is the difference between alcoholic potassium cyanide. Alcoholic potassium cyanide we have used to increase the number of carbon atom without disturbing the functional group. Whereas in case of sodium in dry ether, that is Woods reaction also, we have done with respect to water. With respect to what? Tell me, without disturbing the functional group. Now let us move to the another example of ascending of series, that is reaction with what? Grignard reagent. Whenever we are going to take the Grignard reagent, we'll see that before going to the this one method, let us see what is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Children, have you remember that RMgX organometallic compound is called as Grignard reagent, where iodide is having more reactivity than bromide than this one. So we can say that whenever the Grignard reagent RMgX are treated with, because we are going to prepare alkyl halide with magnesium in dry ether, are going to produce RMgX. Now one question it may arise to your mind that why we should not use water? Why we should not use water? Why it is necessary to go with dry ether? Dry ether. Therefore, we can say that whenever we are going to take aqueous medium, means RMgX, when treated with aqueous medium, they are converted into hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. That's why remember one thing that we should not go for using aqueous medium over here. Always we should go with respect to what? Water. We should go with a dry ether. We should not go for aqueous medium. Another point you need to remember that RMgX, this is Grignard reagent. When treated with, I'll write all the reaction, just look at here, it will help you a lot in competitive exam. It will help you a lot in competitive exam whenever they are treated with water or alcohol. Okay? In all the cases, we are going to get hydrocarbon. We are going to get what? Hydrocarbon. That to R of Grignard reagent. R of Grignard reagent converted into what? Tell me. Hydrocarbon. Even we can take secondary amine also. We are going to get hydrocarbon. These reactions are very interesting to be remembered. When we are going to take carboxylic acid also, we will get hydrocarbon. If we are going to take this one, acetylene, or we can say take any propine also, we are going to get hydrocarbon. If it is treated with phenol also, we are going to get hydrocarbon. How this is interesting, look at over here. All these molecules are containing active hydrogen. All these molecules are containing what? Active hydrogen. All these are represented by A dash, because we are going to get this R. This R over here. All these R are from Grignard reagent. And these are the molecules are there which are containing active hydrogen. They are showing acidic character. Active hydrogen means water. They are containing replaceable hydrogen atom. All these are containing active hydrogen atom. That's why they are converted into hydrocarbons. Now the question arises that why it is necessary. Now we have clear why it is necessary to maintain dry ether. Now we'll see that after the preparation of Grignard reagent from alkyl halide. Now let us move to the reaction that how does this RMgX convert it into alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. How come it is possible? Okay, let us move to the example over here. That is RMgX converted to primary alcohol. Because remember one thing, Grignard reagent is the alone successful method to prepare all the kind of alcohol. Maybe primary, maybe secondary, maybe tertiary alcohol. Therefore, whenever the RMgX, always the Grignard reagent will follow addition type of the reaction when treated with formaldehyde. Again, same case, dry ether. Carbonyl compound is polar. We know very well that R and Mg, this bond is polar in nature. Magnesium is more electropositive, will get a positive charge. Here that will attack on negative. That's why we'll get it as movement of the electron this side. CO will get a negative charge. We'll get it as Mgx. This will be H as it is. This is R. This on further hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis converted into what? Tell me. Primary alcohol. Which type of alcohol it is? Primary alcohol. Children, look at over here. Grignard reagent are converted into primary alcohol by treating with a formaldehyde in dry ether. Even this is also possible when Grignard reagent treated with epoxide. Carbon oxygen bond is polar. They are going to break over here. Addition reaction will take place over here. Again the same dry ether condition will produce water. CH2, OMgX. This side we are going to get R. This on acid hydrolysis converted into CH2R. This is CH2OH. Again, this is also primary alcohol. So, always you need to remember that Grignard reagent are converted into primary alcohol either by treating with formaldehyde or by treating with epoxide. Condition should be dry ether. By treating with a dry ether, by maintaining the medium as dry ether only, they are going to convert. Second point we can come across that how come it is possible to convert the Grignard reagent into secondary alcohol? How come it is possible to convert it into secondary alcohol? Is it possible to convert it into secondary alcohol? That means secondary and tertiary, only two examples are left out. Okay, right now. How come it is possible to convert it into secondary alcohol? Other than formaldehyde or MgX converted to secondary alcohol. Okay. Other than formaldehyde, we can take any aldehyde. Other than formaldehyde. Remember this one. This should be other than formaldehyde. Okay. We can take it as R-CHO. This in dry ether medium. Which medium? Dry ether medium follows addition reaction. Again, reaction is going to follow addition. Same type of the reaction are going to be followed over here. We will get it as RCOMgX. This will be H. This will be R'. Okay. Followed by hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis converted into RCH, OH and R'. This is what, tell me? Secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Now you may think that how come it is possible? If I am going to take methyl magnesium iodide with acetaldehyde. How to remember? Take this R and these two. Make secondary alcohol. Very easy to make over here. CH3, COH, H, CH3. Same way if I am going to take methyl magnesium bromide with benzaldehyde. With what? Benzaldehyde. How I am going to write? Tell me. CH3 as it is one side, C one side. Okay. This we are having what? Benzene. This benzaldehyde. This side H. This side OH. This side OH. What we can call it as? Phenyl ethanol. So it means that we are going to convert it into secondary alcohol. This is the example of secondary alcohol. Both are the examples of what? Tell me. Secondary alcohol. Same way, tertiary alcohols are possible by treating it with ketone. By treating it with ketone. We can take as methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide with ketone. We can take any ketone as R C double bond O R. Okay. If instead of this one Better that we'll take R dash. Later we'll change. This will be R, this will be R dash and R double dash. In dry ether, again the same dry ether condition, again same addition product, R dash, C, O, M, G, B, R. This will be R double dash. This will be what? R. Followed by hydrolysis. Convert it into R dash, OH, R double dash and R. What it is, tell me children? Tertiary alcohol. What? Tertiary alcohol. It means that Grignard reagent can be converted into tertiary alcohol by using ketone. Not only by using ketone, by using esters. Okay? Even by taking acid halide, they too are converted into tertiary alcohol. They too are converted into what? Tertiary alcohol. But always you need to remember that for acid halide and for esters, Grignard reagent we need to add excess to get the final product as tertiary alcohol. Shall we go to any of the example? Okay. Shall we go to the example? Let us move to the first, only one example I will take. After that, remaining descending of series will continue in the next video. We will take acid chloride or we will take ester, anything we can take. RMgX with RC double bond OCl, acid chloride. This bond is polar, that's why addition reaction will take place across this one, COMgX. This will be Cl, this will be R. Okay? And we know very well that Cl is better leaving group, lone pair of electron on this, move this side, this will be eliminated. What is given over here? MgXCl are going to be eliminated. We will get it as RC double bond OR. Already I said over there, whenever we are going to add the ketone with RMgX, we are going to get it as water, tertiary alcohol. So remember one thing, here how many times I am going to add the Grignard reagent? 2 times I am going to add Grignard reagent. It means that Grignard reagent will help us to convert one functional group to other functional group with the increase of number of carbon atoms. Okay? Okay, finished children? Next class again we'll see related with water descending of series. And the last one more functional group is left out, that is amine. Methylamine is converted into ethylamine.